Hey guys, Dustin Troyan here. I'm here at Lavaggio, and I want to show you two excursions. So this is a buddy of mine. This is a 7.3. He actually has a V10 Excursion, which was his first car, his first truck, and the 7.3. And when I met him, he was actually buying a Bronco from my buddy. He saw my Excursion and on the spot said, "Do you want to sell it?" And I said no. He then found a V10, looks just like this, different color, different wheels, but just as clean as this one, and would come to Supercar Sunday. I teased him, I said, well, it's a V10, you know, when it's running, can you even hear it on? So he then found a 7.3, and the 7.3 he found, this one, basically everything you can do to it's been done. It's absolutely spectacular. Unbelievable. Every engine mod, every update, super clean, rhino-lined, everything on top. Updated mirrors, he's got the lights, suspension shocks, engine mods. Truly a beautiful truck. He's actually selling it. He's a truck collector. He's just got too many trucks right now. And so the question is, this is mine. I bought this thing probably, geez, let me think, 4 or 5 years ago. Had a brand new Ford factory interior, brand new rebuilt motor with a warranty on it, and it started to peel, right? So we've mentioned this before. So I've got to get it reshot. So the question is, do I rhino line the whole top like he did? Right? Do I do this? Do I upgrade the wheels, kind of new school it up like he's done? I kind of like this because it's period correct for the time, 2002. Like this thing in 2002 with the bumpers and the grill on the back, I mean, this thing was just, if it was set up like this in 2002, it's just disgusting. You know, I need to clean up in here, repaint everything, just like he did. It's got the nice Fabtech stuff. But do I new school it up, keep it like this? Do I rhino line everything on top? I've got the moldings, I got to repaint this, so repaint everything, or go the route he did. Diesel is pretty expensive, so he's got a lock. I should put that on mine or on my wife's. We have two in the family. Everything's blacked out. So which truck do you like more? Mine? Right? Or his? And what should I do? Both are 7.3s. Let's see. International, that's kind of cool. That's updated. International made the motor. All you 7.3 folks know that. I think those are 6.4 mirrors. Those are Harley Davidson, later model. What should I do? Keep it as is, just repaint it. Rhino line the whole top. Update the wheels and tires, because I do need tires. I probably have a couple more thousand miles. And do I go like him or to keep me? What do you guys think? Or do I sell this and buy that one? Both have brand new interiors, leather's great. What should I do? And yes, that's the Generite off-road Wolverine Jeep, which is just absolutely spectacular. Came into Lavaggio for some service, so you know, if Shane comes in, we'll go over it on video, because that thing is just as bad to the bones as you get. But let me know about the excursions. I have to talk to a guest. What should I do? And I think mine sits a little taller. Steve, mine's bigger than yours, Steve. Yours is cleaner, but mine's bigger. All right. Let me know in the comments what should I do to my Powerstroke. Thank you all. Like and subscribe. More to come. More of my cars, his cars, their cars, your cars, and a few other things in the works for the channel. Have a great day.